Good evening everyone. I am Apurva Sinha. I have scored rank 163 All India in the UPSC Civil Services Examination 2022, and I have been associated with EDEN IAS for quite some time. I had specially taken Tirthankar sir's ethics test series and was being guided through that test series, and also was part of the interview guidance program. I had a lovely association with all the faculties. They are very cordial, and I had a great time at EDEN IAS and being associated with them. My message to all the UPSC aspirants who are preparing or who are planning to prepare is that stay consistent and stay committed to the process. Whatever you think or visualize may or may not happen at that moment, but things will fall in place, and if you stay committed to the process, you will eventually end up with a good rank, good score, and you will do well. So all the best for that.